Welcome back everyone to Suffered Inside this channel. So today I have all my HERRERASAURUS here, all out. So we're gonna start with this guy right here from Dino Escape. Okay. This one doesn't really have a feature. You can move up the neck up and down. There's the DNA scan. Why is the camera not focusing? There you go. Oop. What's wrong with the camera? Okay, so this is a Dino Escape. Okay, and we have here the, I would say this is the Primal Attack. I think this is a Primal Attack, the green one. Okay, it's pretty much the same sculpt, nothing much going on here. As you can see, totally the same. So this is Primal Attack, and then this two right here are all from the original Jurassic World, the first one. Back then when it started, so there was two HERRERASAURUS already, but this one right here was a Walmart exclusive back then. It has the battle damage. Okay, this two can't be, oh, actually all of them can't be found anymore except for this Chaos Theory right here. I think it's still out. It has a feature when you push the button, the head goes down, however the mouth does not open. It's manual, you have to do it yourself. So it is a new sculpt again. It has an improved sculpt. The DNA scan. There you go. I believe this too. Actually, this one has a new tail sculpt. It's not that curved anymore. It actually goes straight. You see that? However, the three are pretty much the same. Yeah, all curved tail. Same as the body, the neck. Same as this, but except they changed the tail though, which is kind of weird. And of course we have the Epic Attack, the only HERRERASAURUS, actually the largest HERRERASAURUS with a sound. You push that. There you go. Also has a light. And there's the DNA scan. This is like a Japan exclusive right here. Hard to find. Or Walmart Canada. Yeah, not here in the US for some reason. So weird. Japan and Canada. Alright, so the reason why I brought all my HERRERASAURUS out because Rebirth has a new HERRERASAURUS, and finally it comes with a new feature. You just twist the tail and the mouth opens up, which is good. However, the hands the hands doesn't move though. So we already finished all of these. Okay, so we're gonna unbox it. Check it out. Yep. Oh, there's one more in the leg. Alright, so finally a new color. DNA scan right there. And they finally give a new option. You go left and right, the body moves. And this is like pretty much the sharpest teeth too for the HERRERASAURUS. So, because this Epic Attack, it's kind of disappointing. The teeth are not that sharp. I don't know what's wrong with Mattel. They didn't really improve there. They just changed the size and the sound. They give it a sound. And the rest of the HERRERASAURUS are kind of disappointing too. It may look sharp, but however, this isn't bad actually. But the older ones, they're bad. They're worse. Look at that. This is the Chaos Theory, also bad. I didn't like it. Or actually, this is Dino Escape, I think. Yeah. Dino Escape and Chaos Theory have the same color. Yeah, this is the Dino Tracker. I believe, yeah, this is Dino Trackers. Yeah. My goodness, can't keep up anymore. Okay, so this is pretty much the latest one, the Rebirth. It finally, the mouth automatically is open, which is really good. Finally, and this one has a sound. So these are the two best HERRERASAURUS here. Okay, guys. It's actually two pieces. They're almost the same as the old one. Oh yeah, it's the same body type too, see? The curve in their body, but they changed it though. They cut the half and gave it a new feature. They make it like two pieces now, which is good, okay? Well, that's pretty much it for today, guys. So the next video, hopefully, I'm gonna be starting doing some custom hybrids again. Okay? Probably gotta do it later this afternoon. Okay, guys? If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and thank you so much. We'll see you soon. Alright, guys. You guys take care now. See you in the next custom hybrid video. Adios.